Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you watched yesterday video. Okay, I told you Bitcoin is gonna go down again, and hopefully you open short position and make money. Now, if you see on my phone here, it's ugly, man. The 12-hour chart is keep going down, but we have to think of it positively. This is a discount for Bitcoin. Okay, it's a discount. Some of you might want to dollar cost averaging. Okay, buy some Bitcoin, accumulate some Bitcoin, because this is, I think, around 20,000 would be the bottom, or 22,000, or maybe 25,000 would be the bottom. Who knows? Me personally, I already accumulate some Bitcoin and also some Ethereum. Okay, that's very important. And if you see my wallet portfolio, guys, okay, if you see here, most of my money is spot and earn. Okay, I only put no more than 20% in futures, because futures, the return is higher, but the risk is also higher. So it's safer if you play spot for for the bulk of your portfolio. Okay, and I mostly invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and this is the one of the best time. Okay, so expect something's going to happen here between this range, 20k. Maybe it will go down 20 more percent. Maybe this is the lowest. Okay, maybe it will go down to 22,000. Who knows? So this is where I'm starting to accumulate Bitcoin. All right. If you are very active on YouTube, you probably know recession is coming. Like every YouTuber now is telling you that recession is coming. However, though, Bitcoin is unique, guys. It might decouple from the stock market. Okay, people from the stock market are pulling out their money into crypto slowly. Okay, behind the scene, you don't know it, but it's going to happen soon enough. Where this is going the bottom, and then it will start to push up. Maybe Q4 this year, maybe next year, maybe in 2024. Who knows? But this is, I think, the good range to start accumulating some Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, this is what I personally do. You do whatever you want to do with your own money. So I prefer some funds. Majority goes to spot. Okay, guys, goes to these coins, and then the rest, 10-20%, I put it in futures, playing bot. In the past I talked about Royal Q. I think in the next few weeks will be a great time as well to start a bot for Royal Q. A coin like Solana, ADA, those coins would be great. Again, I don't put too much money on those coins. It's just fun, okay, to make money on those when the market is already bottom up. I started the bot back in here at this top, guys. Okay, you know how much I suffer, but it's just a mistake that we make, right? We all make. We thought that the market is going to go down and go up, but it keep going down. So it's okay, and we learn from the mistake. Cash is king now, because this is where you can buy a lot of crypto at discounted price. Okay, hopefully this video helped you. And for those of you who play futures, be careful with your short position. Okay, be careful with your short position, especially when the market is at this bottom. Your short position could have a big floating loss when the market push up very significantly. But of course, we have a lot of resistance. It's gonna be a little bit challenging for it to push up. But hopefully this video gonna help you, give you a heads up a little bit, so you mentally prepared and financially prepared, guys.